Got a damaged PPR square? Let's fix it in just a few simple steps. First, identify the damaged section of your PPR square. Make sure the water supply is turned off before you start. Next, cut out the broken part carefully using a pipe cutter or hacksaw. Clean both ends of the pipe thoroughly and apply a PPR primer or primer solution if needed. Let's continue in the video for full details. Now, fit the new piece in place. Heat the joint using a welding tool and press it firmly. Let it cool for a few minutes. Then turn the water back on and check for any leaks. And that's it. Your PPR square is as good as new. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tube25 for more DIY fixes and tips.